Hey everyone, so today's pro tip is going to be how we work with the Schluter Metal Edge. In this particular shower we have 3 different applications in 2 different colors. So I thought this was a great bathroom to show you some of our details. One particular situation we had here is we had a black interior window and the jamb is black as well. So what we did was we took the Schluter Edge in black and we basically put it in the wall like this, so behind the tile, so that when you look over here, you're basically looking like this edge is just looking like an extension of the window jamb. So we don't want to bring any more attention with any kind of trim or edging in here, and this was a really good way to give it a modern, clean finish. The other way we used it was here in our niche. So here we're using the gold edge, and what we ended up using this for was we didn't want to use a marble inside the niche. So this fluted tile and the same fluted tile in here, there is no finished edge on the two, and it would have been almost impossible to miter and make it all look nice. So what we did was we took the metal edge, we finished it off around here like a little picture frame, and that gave us a nice simple finish. It doesn't stand out too much because the colors kind of go, and also the shower plumbing, once installed, is almost the same color as this edging. And the other way we used it was here to make a really nice clean transition between our wall mosaic and our shower fluted wall panels here. So you can see it's really simple, clean, and when the shower door goes on, you're really not going to see this at all. And it just creates a nice straight edge. If you were to just bring your mosaic up to your wall tile in your shower, since it's 2 different materials, it might not look so neat and clean, and you'd have an ugly grout joint. So this, putting a Schluter edge in this situation solved a lot of our problems. Actually, we have one other place we use it, was up here on the top of the wall mosaic. Again, it just gives it a really nice, neat, clean finish. So that's our pro tip for today. These are the Schluter Metal Edge products. Most of your tile suppliers will have them. Home Depot, Lowe's, Floor & Decor, and then your local shops. There are other brands out there. We just like to use your Schluter. It's a good product. They have a bunch of different colors, a bunch of different finishes. So check that out. So if you like this video, if you found it helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time.